A properly functioning refrigerator has become an important part in our daily routines. It avoids food from going bad by keeping it cool and fresh. We are from the FutureX presenting the best ever made smart fridge to maintain your food quality. The latest slide will show you few issues that motivate us to innovate this product. Do you ever experience food rotting in your faulty fridge and forcing you to throw away all the food? Or do you ever want a high-tech product but they just consume a lot of energy? Don't worry, our smart fridge is definitely the solution for you. We are targeting small business and working mother from middle to upper class family, and we are focusing to reduce the food waste and provide you an energy efficient fridge.
Next, we move to the product design of the fridge. On the far left of the fridge, we have a vending machine with a transparent door filled with various kinds of beverage you can choose from the built-in tablet. Next to the vending machine, we have a water dispenser complete with filters and a wiring compartment. Under the vending machine and dispenser part, there is a freezer that is equipped with an ice maker and a poultry compartment. Then we have a built-in tablet and scanner. This fridge also has a spacious vegetable and universal compartment. There are few approaches or ways to satisfy the needs of our product. For instance, this fridge has a smart food quality scanner to reduce food waste. By scanning every item inside of the fridge, you can estimate the expiry date of each food. As an item that requires continuous electric consumption, we install an energy-efficient component, which is a high-efficiency compressor that creates less heatless energy. Furthermore, the built-in dispenser provides easy access to drinking water. Lastly, we have a triple cooling system to prolong food freshness in fridge.
Moving to the benefits, we focus on the advantages of our product in order to convince you to purchase it. Controlling settings through other devices is the first thing on the list. In other words, your electrical equipment, including the tablet that comes with the fridge, can be connected to it. You can therefore keep track of your ingredients online and from any location. This means that if you went for grocery shopping, you can just check your device. The efficiency of our refrigerator is another bonus. The consistency of our meals and the quality of our ingredients are both improved by a high-performance refrigerator. Our refrigerators use a premium energy-efficient compressor with a triple cooling system as indicated in the approach. This guarantees that the ingredients' quality is preserved. And lastly, our refrigerators are useful. Why is this the case? Based on the two factors I have mentioned, our refrigerator can keep an eye on the quality of the food while also minimizing our energy usage. Another thing, smart devices can use refrigerator, and depending on the ingredients we still have on hand, it may offer a variety of recipes. Because we don't have to consider what to prepare when opening our refrigerator like many other refrigerator users do, we may reduce food waste as well as energy consumption in this way.
We will now discuss competition, which is our final point. Why is our fridge better than the others? I will explain why. First, the touchscreen on our smart fridge uses the same operating system as the tablet. Thanks to its own tablet capabilities, this smart fridge tablet can play music, add a calendar for tasks and appointments, and offer culinary suggestions. Our fridge tablets can be removed, unlike the ones that come with most smart fridges today. This allows you to hold the tablet that is Bluetooth connected to the fridge while walking around or sitting down. In addition, the expiration date of our ingredients can be entered manually or automatically with our product. This will make us more aware of food spoilage. Last but not least, our product has a high capacity because we created with 2 or 3 doors and a total capacity of 550 liters for the fridge, freezer and ice maker. And that's all about the FutureX Smart Fridge. Thank you!